Hey, good morning, and we are headed out to the sawmill today, walking down our little road here and trying to get a couple of logs cut up before this thunder boomer comes in. There's a pretty good thunder boomer. Looks like it's going to come by and hit us, and then it'll slow us down for a couple hours, and then it's supposed to clear off again. So let's get out here. Guys, I apologize about my voice. Still suffering from the effects of the COVID, but it seems like I'm getting a little better and a little stronger each day. So let's get this log cut up. All right, this is a Tulip Poplar that we cut down yesterday, and this was the base of the tree. It wasn't a terribly big tree, but it was tall. Gosh, it was tall. We got about 92 inches to work with here, so not quite 8 foot. So we're just gonna make up some 2x4s out of this, you know, just scruff wood, but I don't want it to go to waste. This end, the big end is right at 18 inches, but it is egg-shaped. So 16 by 18 on this end. And let's see, this is the big end, I believe, yeah. It's gonna be, yeah, 18. It's really not, really no taper. It's just egg-shaped in the same direction. Yep. So about 16 by 18 on both ends. It looks pretty good all the way through as far as thickness. Get these backstops put in. We'll set this dude up here. See, I don't know if that'll fit or not. Let's see. We have to just use 2 stops. Yeah, that'll fit. We'll get it set up here and then go from there. All right, so now I get these backstops dropped down to where I can make a first cut. May have to reposition this log still because maybe it went down this way a little bit too far. I think we can get it. Okay. All right, looking pretty good. So we got the blade. This is a Turbo 7 by wood-mizer, 7-degree blade. I got those from Maine down in Georgia. I'll leave a link to where you can buy these. This is probably the 5th log I've cut on this particular blade, and it's still got a good sharp edge on it. I think we can get through these last 2 poplar before we have to change it out. Now, I just want you to see this before I go any further. Boy, this is some clear, absolutely clear poplar. I mean, that's beautiful. right, I guess we are going to change the blade out. You can see that it actually started slipping on that last go around. The blade was really getting hard to push. It's been through a lot of logs, so to this point I'm really impressed with the Turbo 7s. They do a pretty good job. right after I first started cutting this log, I got a call from my dear wife, and she would like to have some more raised beds for her garden. The poplar is not really a great lumber for garden beds because it rots pretty quick. However, the price is right on this. 10 inches, got it 6/4 thick, and it's just not, some of these boards had some pretty bad marks in the middle, so I don't think they're going to be very structurally sound. So we really have nothing to lose on these. I'm hoping that that next log, which is further up the tree, was a little bit clear. I thought this was going to be really clear, but there's actually some rot in the center of this tree. So further up, I believe it's going to be a little bit more stable, and we could probably get some good 2x4s out of it, and that log is quite a bit longer. Hey, listen, I really appreciate your watching our channel. We're going to wrap this video up here. Just stay tuned, and I really would appreciate if you would hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. God bless. Have a great day.